I guess so. In today's project, if you saw the previous videos of this car, needed an oil pan because it was kind of rusty and it had a dent in it. So this is a new one, and also the gasket that I'm going to be replacing along the way. Alright, so I already have the car jacked up on one side with a jack stand. I'm going to go underneath. The car is actually hot, so I'm going to drain the oil and I'm going to start removing the pan. Here we are. Oh no, my light is dying. You can see it's pretty bad. Dented and it's leaking, but some of the leaks are actually from the top too. So anyways, I'm gonna remove the drain plug, drain it, and start taking off this pan. Okay, already loosened it up. Of course, the plug is not gonna come out easy. Somebody over tightened it or something. Oh boy, yeah. Simplest oil change, and people cannot do it. Swear to God. Alright, let that drain. After the oil is drained, I'm going to start removing these 10mm bolts all the way around, and then I'm going to drop the pan. It's pretty easy actually. You can get to them, no problem. So, let me somehow show you. The bolts are out. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my pan, put it right here, and I'm gonna pry this oil pan. Alright, there you guys have it. Oil pan. Again, I apologize, this light is kind of bad. Okay, real quick. You guys can kind of see it. It's pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna take my new oil pan and gasket and put it on. Alright, this is ready to go back on. Okay. Damn, it's such a bad lighting. But new oil pan is installed. Okay. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna replace the filter right now, and then I'm gonna start putting oil in it, start it up, and then see how she runs and make sure there's no leaks. Alright, gotta do some cleanup here, and then I'm gonna start it up. Alright, she's running. Make sure everything is good here. Just kind of go through all the bolts, also the drain plug. So I'm gonna let it run, and then I'm gonna do more cleanup because I didn't do the best job cleaning it. So I'll do that. Oil filter. Alright. She's all good, no warning lights. As far as the oil pressure, everything is good. It's gonna be hard to see, but the oil level, let's see. Well, it's actually at the maximum. It's hard to see on this. Yeah, and the lightning sucks, so, but it's all at the max. Alright, so it's pretty dark outside, and I'm working on this Nissan again. Alright, and okay, so the oil pan gasket was done on it and everything. So now, I apologize, it's really dark outside. So the complaint was that the car sometimes doesn't start. Literally, you turn the key all the way, and you know, like to crank position, and it just doesn't crank, nothing. There's no lights on the dash. So, you know, you always start with the basics. So I come here to the battery. You know, this guy is okay, it's tight. But look at this guy. Look at this thing. You can literally take it off, which I'm not going to, just in case there's a, you know, a clock set or you know, the radio code that will be needed. So right now I'm just literally gonna tighten it up, and it should be good to go. Easy fix. Right. Alright, that's it. She's all good to go. So what I think happened here is, whoever, because this battery, I wouldn't say it's really old, but somebody, whoever was, you know, whoever changed it, maybe they didn't tighten it enough, or they just kind of like left it like that. But yes, this is actually okay. It's just this one is not good at all. So but right now everything is okay. There's gonna be no more problems or issues starting it. So yeah, pretty easy fix. So just start with the basics. If you have the same issue, just, you know, check your batteries, connections, everything. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Eight volts, bro. Should be 12.6.
Is it low? We got it low, right?
It's really low. Needs to be jumped. Alright, so let's try again. I mean, it's not gonna start probably. I'm gonna try though. Yeah, the lights don't even come out, barely. Okay. Alright. Take this off. Cleaning the throttle body now. Gunked up. Have my special cleaner. Wow, it works pretty good. Oh, you can't open the trunk, right?
I have this one right here. It's a new one.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, that's gonna work. Thanks. Put everything back. Oil level is good.